Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Daily Goodie Box unboxing for November. This is a website where it's free to join and you create a profile, and if you're selected you get a goodie box. They only ask that you review the samples inside. So let's take a look. First thing I have, Ella's Flats All Seed Savory Crisp. Gluten-free. So you can eat it as it is, or you could add it to yogurt, jam, jelly, avocado. That would taste really good on avocado toast. Very cool. Have to give that a try. Also have heat holders. This is cute. Ooh, it's very soft inside. It's lined. And I received, I think it was socks from this brand last year, and they were really awesome. And this is one size fits all. Very cute. Next up we have Clusterbucks grain-free superfood snickerdoodle flavor. Plant-based protein. Has pumpkin seeds, maple syrup, coconut sugar, coconut oil, cinnamon, vanilla. I bet that tastes yummy. And then we have Owl in a Towel. This is Balsam Fir hand cream. Oh my gosh. That's one of my favorite scents ever. I love the smell of Christmas trees. Let me see how that is. I love that. It smells just like a Christmas tree and absorbs really well. Super excited for that. Next, chewing gum. Sugar-free and spearmint flavor. I like the packaging. Nice and tiny. Then we have some tea. Oh, it's liquid. Oh, it's condensed. Pre-brewed condensed green tea. This one is peach flavor. Then we have the regular green tea, raspberry, and lemon. That's really cool. I haven't seen that before. I'm gonna try that as soon as I'm done with this video. You just pour it into some hot or cold water. That's exciting. And then, I think the last thing in there is some Zolly Pops. These are keto, there's no sugar in it, gluten-free, vegan. We've tried lots of different candies from this company, pretty good as well. And then at the bottom, there's always a paper clip with additional information or coupons. So there's one for Ella's Flats, which was the first product. Get up to a $10 gift card if you share a review with the Zollies. Like I said, they do have lots of different types of sugar-free candy. $1 off from Zolli. And then the last card is also from Zolli to show you their products as well. Very cool. So if you guys would like to sign up for a profile with Daily Goodie Box, I will put all their information below and their social media. That way you can win a chance to get a free box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.